Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and it's somewhere around 6:30, give or take a little bit. We're going to be looking at this one, and it is number A. At the pond. It's been a while since we've been in here, so we're going to give it a shot. It's got a few beetles in it, but we'll take care of them. Beetles are doing a pretty good job of it. They're not killing them, but they're grabbing them and flying with them. But we're going to go ahead and see what we got. Get the feeder bowl off. It had some beetles in it. Not that many, but more than what we needed. So we're going to take this now and see what we got. Okay, that's a frame that they hadn't worked on yet. Set it right there. This one has some nectar, some honey. Add a beetle. Just propolis and wax off the top. This one here has some nectar. It has nectar, both sides. This one, not much. They're working on it a little bit, but that's about it. Same thing with this one. They haven't had any nectar yet though, so they're ready for a honey flow. Let's see what's in the bottom. Okay. Take my glasses off so I can see better. I don't have my glasses on. Duh. Maybe I need to put my glasses on then. Okay, let's see what we got here on the first one. The good bees. Need to be on the other side of this box to get the sun right. We can do it. And here just got some nectar. This one has brood. Some honey, some nectar, some larvae. I'm not looking for the queen or eggs. Making sure there's no bugs in here other than the beetles that we can pretty much take care of. This one has honey, nectar, brood, larvae, maybe some eggs in there, maybe even a queen in there. Same thing with this side. No bugs. I think all the bugs is in the top. Bottom looks good. And here has brood. Filled with brood, nectar. Oh, I'm not showing you. I'm sorry. Like some of them people just shows you, tells you things that don't show you the bees. That's filled up. That's where the others are. one. May have some eggs in there. Has some pollen. That's them. And we'll probably come back very soon and put some beetle stuff in here, which I'll probably put a little bit in here before I leave. Like I tell y'all, this honey is not for sale. This is just my bees I raise. But I will think of something else to do other than Swiffer sheets. And that's it, people. I'm going to put some beetle traps in here, some in that, maybe a Swiffer sheet. But y'all take care of yourselves, and thank you for watching. Y'all let me know if these are quick enough for you, or if we need to make them a little bit longer. That's them. See, crawling up on the side there. Y'all be careful out there. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and be safe.